Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details, and today's video is brought to you by Autodoc, an international automotive parts supplier stocking over 1 million parts. Autodoc stock parts for literally every vehicle make and model and ship worldwide with free delivery on orders over £98. Browsing through their website and specifically Volkswagen Caddy parts for my own vehicle, they literally stock everything and anything that you may possibly need. The advantage of getting your vehicle parts from Autodoc are simple. They are a one-stop shop for all mechanical automotive parts. From brake servicing kits, brake setups, uprated turbochargers, intercoolers, head gaskets, suspension components, clutches, gearboxes to rings and pistons. I'm not even joking, no matter what vehicle make or model you put into the search tab, there is an endless list of parts on offer for competitive prices. So be sure to check out www.autodoc.co.uk for all of your automotive mechanical needs, and if you make an order then be sure to let them know that JP Details sent you over. It is now time to get on with today's video. Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details with Sam's Detailing Products Review Part 2. Today we're going to be trying out Sam's Glass Cleaner, Tyre Shine, Paintwork Glaze and the Interior Detailer, with the big question of whether or not I can find anything bad to say about these products, as the first four did extremely well. Starting with the Glass Cleaner, which is a unique gel formula that holds its position when sprayed onto glass, giving a streak-free finish and prevents those annoying drips. It's suitable for all glass, window tints and acrylic windows. A bottle of 500ml Sam's Glass Cleaner costs £8, and I must say that it cleans the glass very well. You apply the product directly to the windows or onto your microfiber towel and work thoroughly over the window surface. You then take a second microfiber towel and wipe the windows for a crystal clear finish. This product was a nice and quick one to review, as there were no smears caused by the product, and all of the product moisture, which with some glass cleaners can be a pain to remove, wasn't the case with Sam's. Both myself and Greg from GP Valeting both agreed that this glass cleaner is well worth the buy. If you watched the recent video about Greg's training day called The Second Successful Training Day, then you should recognise Greg, and with this YouTube product review I decided to make the most of the moment and capture a slightly different angle for the channel, which is me recording somebody else doing the detailing. But don't worry, I have tried these products for myself on a few different vehicles in order for me to give an honest review and to talk about my own experiences with the products. Next on the list is Sam's Detailing Paintwork Glaze and the Sam's Detailing Polishing Sponge. The polishing sponge is a firm-handled sponge designed to work with any hand polish to remove minor paintwork blemishes and oxidation, and it costs £5. Sam's Glaze is a super wet look glaze that can be layered to give that extra bit of shine. The formula can sit on top of a wax or under a wax, and even applied to windows, chrome or alloys. The glaze is very easy to apply. It spreads nicely over each panel and causes no problems with the application process. Like most glazes, I would recommend staying away from any of the plastic trim, although with this little RS122, the only plastic trim was around the wing mirrors. Using circular motions or straight lines, apply the glaze thoroughly to the paintwork. Provided that you apply the glaze indoors or in a shaded area, then you can quite simply apply the glaze to the entire vehicle and then buff the product residue. The Sam's Detailing microfiber towel is a 16cm by 12cm plush microfiber towel, which is perfect for buffing polishes, glazes, waxes or sealants. It's silk boarded to avoid marring and embroidered with the Sam's Detailing logo. This towel costs £4. The glaze residue was a pleasure to buff and revealed a nicely enhanced finish from all areas that the glaze was applied to. Myself and Greg found no issues with the paintwork glaze, polishing sponge or the towel, and came to the conclusion that this combination would make a great product selection for a time effective gloss boosting session whilst treating your pride and joy to some TLC. The glaze can also be used on windows, wheels and chrome trim, so we decided to apply the glaze to the gloss black alloys of the Renault RS122. Once again, we found that the glaze produced a nicely enhanced finish on the alloys and caused no problems with the application or removal process. Sam's Detailing Paintwork Glaze, the polishing sponge and the plush microfiber towel get a big thumbs up from me. Sam's Detailing Tie Shine costs £12 for 500ml and it gives an extremely glossy finish to give that ultimate wet look for your tyre's sidewall. This is a newly improved formula from Sam's Detailing and it is also banana scented. Myself and Greg applied a single layer of the product to the sidewalls of the RS122 and after 30 minutes the finish had dropped from incredibly glossy to an almost matte finish. Considering that this should be a shiny tyre gel, we opted to apply a second layer which seemed to do the trick. On the Sam's Detailing website it does mention that you should use a tyre stripper before applying the product, which is a product called Sam's Tyre Dressing Stripper and it costs £8.50. So perhaps if we had used the tyre stripper then the one coat would have been fine. Either way, I wasn't sent out the tyre stripper and by applying the two coats the tyres were nicely dressed. I'll give the tyre dressing a thumbs up, but personally for me, I'll be sticking with Swissvax pneu. Sam's Detailing Interior Detailer is formulated for giving the hard interior surfaces a quick clean on a regular basis. It's a spray on and wipe off product for all interior surfaces. It leaves no residue behind, its anti-static properties prevent dust build-up, and it gives the interior a fresh scent. The product is easy to use and it leaves a nice satin or matte finish depending on the surface type that it's applied to. 500ml costs £9 and it gets a big thumbs up from both myself and Greg. So out of all 9 products that I've reviewed from the Sam's Detailing range, which were the Snow Foam Bodywork Shampoo, Wheel Soap, Iron Reactor, Ceramic Boost, Window Cleaner, Paintwork Glaze, Tyre Shine and the Interior Detailer, also if you include the polishing sponge and the plush microfiber towel, plus a keyring, window sticker and spare microfiber towels, I would personally recommend each and every one of them as a consideration for your next product order. Every single item, apart from the tie dressing which is personal preference, I found that they all stacked up extremely well against the existing products that I've been using. Sam has handcrafted an excellent range of products and sells them at extremely competitive prices, and without doubt I will continue to use a selection of them going forwards. If you will, please help to support Sam by subscribing to his YouTube channel, which is linked in this video's description, and don't forget to check out his website to see what he has to offer. Sam, thank you very much for the products and I will inevitably speak to you again in the future. Thank you all for watching and supporting JP Details. Don't forget to drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Just search JP Details. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.